Control of environmental degradation. Now we will study about the measures by which we can control our environment from degradation. Every liter of waste water discharged by our industry pollutes 8 times the quantity of fresh water. How can the industrial pollution of fresh water be reduced? So some of the measures, some suggestions are: first is by minimizing used water for processing by reusing, recycling it into 2 or more successive states. So it means in industries, instead of releasing these water, instead of discharging these water to rivers, so what the industrialists they can do, they can use that water again. They can use it, they can recycle the water. Second is harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. So rainwater should be conserved, should be preserved to meet water requirement. Third is treating hot water and effluent before releasing them into rivers and ponds. So before releasing hot water into rivers and ponds, the temperature of these hot water should be reduced. Treatment of industrial effluent can be done in 3 phases. First is primary treatment. So the treatment means recycling of industrial effluents, industrial waste materials should be done in different phases, different stages. The first stage is primary treatment. So in this stage, it is done by the mechanical, means done by the machines. It involves screening, grinding, flocculation and sedimentation. So by this process, unwanted materials should be separated. Second is secondary treatment done by the biological process, and third is the tertiary treatment by the biological, chemical and physical processes. These involve recycling of wastewater. So in this way, wastewater can be recycled. So it involves these 3 phases, these 3 steps. Other measures are overdrawing of groundwater reserves by industry where there is threat to water. Groundwater resources also needs to be regulated legally. It means in some places groundwater are used by the industry. So in such areas it should be legally regulated. Next is particulate materials in air can be reduced by fitting smokestack to factories with electrostatic precipitors, fabric filters, scrubbers and inertial separators. So the harmful gases which are released by the factory should be filtered by the different materials like scrubber, inertial separators. So these things, they separate harmful materials from the gases. Smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal in factories. So in factories, instead of using coal, oil and gases should be used. Machinery and equipment can be used and generators should be fitted with silencer. Machines which cause noise, these machines should be fitted with silencer. Almost all machineries can be redesigned to increase energy efficiency and reduce noise. Noise absorbing materials may be used apart from personal use of earplug and earphones. The challenge of sustainable development requires integration of economic development with environmental concern. So the meaning of sustainable development means economic development should take place with environmental concern. It means without harming the environment.